Hey there, friends, and welcome to my channel where we talk about all things Kajabi, marketing, and growing your online business. I'm Rebecca Austin, and today we are tackling a question I get asked all the time. And that is, what is the best lead magnet format for your audience? With so many options to choose from, it can be overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you. Lead magnets are one of the most effective ways to grow your email list and build your audience, but the format you choose plays a huge role in how successful your lead magnet will be. Today, I'm going to walk you through a few popular lead magnet formats, their benefits, and how to pick the right one for your business. Ready? All right, let's go. First up, we have checklists. Checklists are a great option if your audience is looking for quick, actionable steps they can implement immediately. They're super easy to create and give your audience a fast win. If your ideal customer is busy and needs a solution right now, a checklist is the perfect format. It's simple, straightforward, and provides instant value. So for example, one of our checklist lead magnets that we have available is the launch checklist. This is a quick and easy checklist that gives a summary of everything you need to launch with success. Next is the ebook. If your audience is more research-oriented and looking for detailed insights, an ebook is a fantastic way to showcase your expertise. It allows you to dive deep into the topic and it provides a ton of value. Ebooks are perfect for people who are in the research phase and need more comprehensive information. They take a bit longer to create, but they're great for building authority and they're really good with building trust with your audience. The downside to ebooks that you do have to remember, though, is that you want to make sure that your ebook is in a format and a style that encourages engagement. Because if your ebook is too long or too wordy or just doesn't engage with your audience right away, the challenge is then they're not even going to read it. So you get the opt-in, but you don't get the back-end engagement that connects with your invitation. All right, now let's talk about templates. Templates are a great lead magnet for action takers who want to save time. Whether it's a budgeting tool, a content calendar, or a checklist type template, your audience will love that they can download it and use it right away. Templates are awesome because they're super practical. Your audience will see immediate value, which makes them more likely to engage with your future content. Now, another option is the quiz. Quizzes are interactive, they can be fun, and provide personalized results, which is why they tend to have really high engagement rates. Plus, people love sharing quiz results, so it's great for getting your lead magnet in front of new eyes. If your audience enjoys interactive content or you want to make lead generation a little more fun, a quiz could be the perfect fit. If you go to our website at striveforsavvy.com, you will see that we have incorporated interactive video quiz into almost every landing page on our website, because we find quizzes to be a great way to interact on a personal level and give customized information to our audience. And finally, there's the webinar. Webinars are a great way to provide high-value content while also engaging with your audience in real time. They're perfect for audiences who want to go deeper and are ready for a more interactive experience. Webinars do take a bit more time to produce, but they're fantastic for building rapport and trust with your audience, especially if you're selling high-ticket products or services. So now that we've covered a few of the popular ones, that's not all of them, but those are just a few. How do you choose the best lead magnet format for your business? Well, here's a few questions to ask yourself. First, what problem are you solving for your audience? If they need a quick win, go with the checklist. If they're looking for in-depth information, maybe an ebook or webinar might be better. Second question to ask is, how does your audience prefer to engage with content? Do they like interactive experiences? Are they more likely to download and read a detailed guide? And third, what's the next step you want them to take? Quizzes can lead to a more personalized recommendations, while webinars are great for nurturing leads and moving them down the funnel. So those are just a few questions to consider. Now, if you found this helpful and want to dive even deeper into creating lead magnets that convert, make sure you subscribe to our Grow Your List newsletter series, and the link is in the description below this video. Each week, we break down strategies and tips to help you build your email list and attract your ideal customers. Now, next week in our Grow Your List series, we'll be talking about what I would say is arguably the most important part of any lead generation strategy, and that is the email nurture sequence that goes along with your lead magnet. Next week, we're going to cover how to nurture your leads after they've downloaded and or potentially accessed your lead magnet in a way that turns them into loyal customers. Now, I know you're not going to want to miss that, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to turn on notifications. So let me ask you, what lead magnet formats have you tried and which ones have been working the best for you? Let me know in the comments. And remember, marketing and lead generation is the foundation for growth in any online business. So feel free to have as many lead magnets as you want. Experiment with different formats to find what works best for you. You could be just one lead magnet away from connecting with your ideal audience in new ways that increase your results. Now, if all of this sounds overwhelming and confusing for you, no worries. Here at Strive for Savvy, we have a wide range of resources and services to help you overcome the blocks or sticky areas of your business. So I invite you to visit our website at striveforsavvy.com, check out all of the different resources that we have there, and learn more about what we can do potentially to help you. And it includes scheduling a complimentary coaching session with me. So I'll look forward to working with you. And in the meantime, I'll see you next week when we talk about email nurture. Bye for now.